Right, get this. Every single supervolcano on Earth erupts tomorrow. Sounds like a crazy movie, doesn't it? But let's think about what would really happen. At first, it would be total chaos. Ash clouds everywhere, poisonous gases, and the temperature dropping super fast. It wouldn't just be a problem in one place, it would change the whole world. But humans are tough. Let's see how we could survive. Imagine living underground. Shelters would be the safest place, away from the ash and the freezing air. Think about old mines or special bunkers. They'd need to be full of important things: food, water, medicine, and even seeds to grow plants later. Talking about food, we couldn't grow it the normal way. Hydroponics and aquaponics would be our new best friends. These ways let us grow food inside, using very little water and space. Imagine underground farms with bright lights, growing fresh vegetables all year round. Now, let's talk about how we'd live. The sun would be blocked and it would get really cold. We'd need to make heat and power in new ways. Solar panels wouldn't work, so we'd use geothermal energy, which is heat from inside the Earth. Clever, right? Talking to each other would be super important. Special radios and satellites would keep us in touch so we could share important news and work together. Helping each other would be more important than ever, sharing what we have and working as a team to rebuild. And we can't forget about staying happy. Living underground, away from the sky and sun, would be hard. Virtual reality could help us escape, letting us do fun things to keep our spirits up. Imagine walking through a pretend forest or relaxing on a fake beach. So, surviving a supervolcano eruption would be really difficult, but not impossible. With underground homes, new ways of farming, clever energy, and working together, we could survive. It shows how clever and tough humans can be. So, the next time you hear about supervolcanoes, remember, being prepared and being able to change are really important. Stay curious, stay prepared. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos.